Hey Red fam, it's Umar and welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video, I will be unboxing my new gaming device, the Redmi K50, also known as the POCO F4 GT. This device comes with 12 plus 3 gig of RAM and 256 gig of internal storage. Wow. You don't need that external storage. Yeah, with the latest 8th gen Snapdragon, this device is indeed the real gaming beast. Nice. Well, the price of this device when I bought it was around $670 US, which is equivalent to 415,000 naira. But wait, the price can change at any time, so you should check online to see the current price. I know some people might ask, why do I love using Android devices instead of iPhone? Well, the real truth is that as a mobile gaming YouTuber, I prefer playing mobile games on Android devices. And from the name of my YouTube channel, droidvillaz, you should know that, yeah, I'm a fan of Android devices. So this is just like an investment for the droidvillaz YouTube channel. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with the unboxing. So this is how the phone was packaged all the way from Hong Kong, China. So here is the Redmi K50. And it's time to unbox the real gaming beast. So these are the two glass screen protectors that was given to me for free by the seller because there was a little delay before the phone was shipped to the delivery company. This is the power plug adapter and it is used for plugging your charger in an electrical socket. This right here is the 120 watt fast charger and it can charge this device from 0 to 100% in just 40 minutes. And this is a Type-C USB cable for the charger. This is a free silicone case that comes along with the device. This is the SIM card ejector or the SIM card removal pin. So it's time to power on the gaming beast.
A few moments later.
The device name is POCO F4 GT, while the name on the box and the back of the phone is Redmi K50. And it has 12 plus 3 gig of RAM, just like I said earlier. And 256 gig of internal storage. So these are the two pop-up triggers for the right and left positions, which are made just for the purpose of gaming, just like the right and left triggers on a game controller.